warnings again coming out for Hood, Somerville, and Erath County. Stand by as we alert our other stations on WBAP.
All right.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for Somerville County, Hamilton County, southeastern Erath County, Bosque County, and central Hood County until 8:30. A severe thunderstorm located 7 miles northeast of Hyco, or about 17 miles southeast of Stephenville, is moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 1.5-inch hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Somerville County, Erath County, Hood County, and sections of Hamilton and Bosque counties until 8:30. A severe thunderstorm located 7 miles northeast of Hyco, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding message. And we're getting